Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and permissions. Position a plain white wall or sheet and stand 1-2 meters away. This reduces shadows and keeps framing consistent. Once done, open settings and grant the SSC app camera and storage access so the app can save and upload. That prevents errors mid-capture. Make sure your ID is ready for reference and remove hats or glasses that obscure features, because the app validates visible facial details immediately after capture. You now use the SSC app's built-in capture flow to ensure correct metadata. Tap Photo Upload and choose Capture so the app controls resolution and orientation. Align your head inside the on-screen oval. Keep eyes open, mouth closed, and shoulders visible to meet biometric checks. Press the shutter and hold still for the brief autofocus and exposure sequence. If the app offers a countdown, use it to steady yourself. This method ensures the image file meets size and aspect requirements for submission. You finish by reviewing and submitting the photo within the app. After capture, inspect the preview for centering, sharpness, and proper crop. Use the built-in crop tool to match the required aspect ratio and avoid off-center faces. Once satisfied, hit upload and wait for the confirmation message. Save the confirmation ID or screenshot. If the app rejects the image, retake it under brighter, diffused front lighting and remove strong backlight. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most validation failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.